There are different ways to use the verb to use. So let's start. The first way is to use in the simple meaning. For example, in summer, I use sunscreen to protect my skin. He uses this bank because it's convenient. The second way is to get used to, means to adapt to a new situation. For example, I'm getting used to the new way of working. I can't get used to the noise here. Another way is to be used to something that becomes normal or regular in your life. For example, I'm not used to getting up early. She's used to working late. We are used to taking the bus. The last one is used to, is when we talk about something that we did regularly in the past, but we don't do it now. For example, I used to live in the United States. He used to play soccer, but he broke his leg and had to stop. She used to go to our school, didn't she? See you in another video. Thanks for watching.